After that, we will test our code on the FPGA. Okay, let's start. This is IR receiver. This is our remote control. This is shift 1 second with 1 second. Shift to left with 1 second. We now try with 2 seconds. 1 2 seconds. 1 2 seconds. 1 2. Now we try with 3 seconds. Now we try with 4 seconds. Now with 5 seconds. Now with 6 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then okay. Now with 8 seconds. Now it's 9 seconds. The last thing, when we push 0 button, it will stop. It will stop count. So it will stop. Okay, thank you.